Short answer questions. From which inscriptions do we get reference of Chola family tree? Open page number 116. Mark answer 1 on page number 116. Archaeological sources, second para, third line, till Chola kings. Question 2. Who built the Brideshwara temple? Right answer, the Brideshwara temple was built by Rajaraja the Great. Question 3. Name the most powerful Chola ruler. Right answer, Rajaraja the Great. Question 4. Why did Rajendra Chola I take the title of Gangai Konda? Open page number 118. Mark answer, right hand side, last para, fifth line. His army crossed, cut his right Rajendra Chola's army till Gangai Konda. Next question, fifth. Where were the king's orders put up for the people to see? Open page number 119. Under the heading Chola administration, the orders of the king to the officials to the people were hung up on the temple walls. This is our answer number 5. Cut questions 6 and 7 because this is not in your course. Question 8. What was the chief source of income for the Cholas? Right answer, land revenue. Next question 9. Which body of water came to be called a Chola lake? Right answer, the Bay of Bengal. Next question 10. Mention the place which became the center of religious, social, educational and cultural activities. Right answer, temples. Temples center बन गया था religious, social, educational, cultural activities के लिए. Now structured questions. Question number 1. Inscriptions are an important source of Chola history. Relate an account of Chola's inscription in general. B. A typical Chola copper plate inscription. C. The inscriptions of Rajaraja I. First open page number 116. Open page number 116. Archaeological sources. Mark answer 1A from here till Chola kings. And then 1B, a typical Chola. Next page till Tamil. Then 1C. First mark here an example. Mark from here 1C, Rajaraja I. Then in an inscription from here till Diti. Then on the same page, left hand side, last second line, inscriptions of Rajaraja I till temple. This is your answer 1C, children. Question number 2. With reference to the Brideshwara temple, describe a gateway of the temple. B. Structure of the main temple. C. The interior of the temple. First open page number 118. Mark answer 2A on page number 118, left hand side, first fourth line. The temple is accessible through 2 gateways till here, inner gateway. Then mark answer 2B. The main temple is in the middle from here on page number 121. Turn the page till circular top 2B and then 2C. Left hand side, last para, in the middle of the main shrine from here till dancers. Question number 3. The Chola dynasty had some famous rulers. Discuss the contribution of Rajaraja I, the work done by Rajendra Chola, and see the position of king. Open page number 118, children. On page number 118, you all can see the heading Rajaraja I, right hand side. This first para is your answer 3A. And this, he conquered Kalinga from here till Tanjore. Then mark 3B from here till Gangai Konda Cholapuram till here, 3B. And then mark 3C on page number 119, the king, position of the king, full para till decrease. Question 4. The Cholas had a highly efficient administration. Write about A. The role of ministers and officials. Open page number 119. Open page number 119. Right hand side, last para. The Chola king till titles. This is your answer 4A. Children, question 4B and C is not in your course, so cut it, and question 5 as well. Write all the question answers on your history notebook. Thank you.